These are all running towards me. I don't have anything for you. I don't have anything. Oh my god. I don't have anything. No, I don't have anything. Sorry. Oh my god, they're running towards me. I don't have anything, darling. Oh, there is this small deer. Chuto. Oi, oi, oi. Oh my god, it doesn't even care. Oi. Deero. There is one more deer coming. Are you looking for food? Huh? Cute. No, 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 don't run away. Where are you running? Not doing anything. Why are these following? I don't have anything for you, darlings. There is one deer coming. Come, 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 come. Come. The deer are running away, whereas the cocks, the hens, as well as, I forgot the name of this bird. This is called kinnikoli in Tamil. On the